So I'm in a cafe, trying to relax, sip my coffee, be a person, then it begins. Someone's slurping. A chair scrapes, baby starts crying. The coffee machine hisses like a demon, and suddenly, boom, sensory overload unlocked. It's not just noise, it's the sound of my brain trying to file a restraining order against reality. Every beep, every crunch, every throat clear. It hits me like a megaphone to the soul. Neurotypical brains. Oh, a bit noisy. Neurodivergent brains. The world is on fire and everyone's shouting in my head. It's not overreacting. It's not being fussy. It's sensory hypersensitivity, and it's real. Imagine your brain has no volume control. Everything's stuck on max. The fridge hum, obnoxious. The light buzz, piercing. The sniffing person next to you, criminal. Now try focusing, or talking, or existing, can't. The brain's on red alert, fight, flight, or cry in the toilet. Some of us get angry, some shut down, some just leave, but inside it feels like wires crossed, alarms blaring, steam pouring out of your ears like a cartoon kettle, and people say, just ignore it. Cool. Let me also ignore my lungs while I'm at it. Let's talk meltdown moments, snapping at someone over a pen click, fleeing a supermarket mid-shop, crying in your car because of one too many honks. It's not dramatic, it's accumulated micro-assaults. So what helps? Noise-cancelling headphones, non-negotiable, hats and hoodies. Create a mini buffer zone, timed exposure. Know your limit, leave early, sensory safe recovery time, dim lights, quiet, soft textures, and most of all, validate yourself. You're not weak, you're not overreacting, you're sensitive, and that's not a flaw. If someone in your life shuts down for no reason, it's probably not no reason. It's too many reasons. Too fast, too loud, too much. If you've ever walked out of a room mid-sentence because of a sudden beep, but this one, S for you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have ever been personally victimized by a ticking clock or a crunchy eater.